Hello, students. Today we are going to learn about a very great personality. So let's move on to lesson number 8, The Great Hero. India is a great nation. In India, we had many great personalities that sacrificed their life for freedom, pride, and glory of the nation. Here are some of the pictures of the great heroes of India. Let's try to recognize them. Dear students, are you able to recognize them? These are the pictures of the childhood. The first picture is of Mahatma Gandhi. Second picture, Sardar Patel. Third picture, Bhagat Singh. Fourth picture, Jagdish Chandra Bose. Fifth picture, Swami Vivekanand. Sixth, Kalpana Chawla. 7, Jawaharlal Nehru. 8, Indira Gandhi. And 9, yes, Sachin Tendulkar. Today we are going to learn about our great hero Mahatma Gandhi. He fought against the British to give us freedom. He believed in truth and non-violence. He is called the father of nation. Dear students, good habits, good personality, positive attitude, honesty is not developed in one day. All these characters are built in childhood. Gandhiji from the childhood was very honest and disciplined. He was a boy of strong principles. Gandhiji's father, Karamchand Gandhi, was popularly known as Kaba Gandhi. His mother's name was Putlibai. As a child, he was greatly influenced by the honesty and strict discipline of his father and by the simplicity and religious thought of his mother. Gandhiji valued non-violence and honesty from the very beginning years of his childhood. He made these values his principle of life. And see, he brought freedom to India with the powerful weapon of non-violence. So, dear children, here is a short story of Mahatma Gandhi when he was studying in a school. When he was small, he was not Mahatma. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and all his friends and families called him Mohan. Mohan was a student in Rajkot. He did not always stand first in his class, but he was always honest. Once the school had its annual inspection. The inspector went round all the classes. He also went to class 5. Mohan was a student in that class. It was an English class. The inspector gave a spelling test. He dictated 10 words. One word was kettle. Mohan did not know the spelling of this word. He spelled the word correctly. But his class teacher saw the wrong spelling in Mohan's slate, and he did not want the inspector to say bad words about the teacher. So he made a sign to Mohan. Copy the word from the neighbors. Did Mohan understand the sign? Yes, he did. Did he copy the word? No, he didn't. He did not like to cheat anybody. The result was that all the students except Mohan spelled all the words correctly. The teacher scolded Mohan after the class and Mohan felt sad. But deep inside him he knew that what he had done was right. But this quality is what made him Mahatma, and that's why we call him Mahatma Gandhi. Dear students, here is a wonderful poem on Mahatma Gandhi written by Tirupati Chandrapatla. God is truth. You said freedom you cherish, non-violence you practice. Noble soul, you are a role model for all. You are the Mahatma we adore. Dear children, the poet says, that God is truth. Gandhiji always valued freedom, so he brought freedom to India with the powerful weapon of non-violence. Dear children, he is a role model for all of us. We have so many things to learn from his life. Hope, children, you enjoyed this small story of Mahatma Gandhi and you will start practicing this beautiful value of honesty from your childhood. Here is a small activity which you have to do by yourself by reading the lesson. Next week, I will be back with another short story of Mahatma Gandhi. Till goodbye.